Welcome. In this video I'll talk about continuous statement in details. Let's start. A continuous statement in Python returns the control to the beginning of the while loop. The continuous statement rejects all the remaining statements in the current iteration of the loop and moves the control back to the top of the loop. The continuous statement can be used both while and for loop. Let's see an example. In this example here, I type 4 letter in Python. If this letter equal to H, I'll continue. Then I'll print the letter. Here, let's try this. I'm sorry about this. This is not the result of this code. Let's try this in our shell. 4 letter in Python. If this letter equal to H, I'll continue. Then I'll print this letter. Let's run. So you can see here, print is Python. Where is the H letter? Let's continue. It skip this iteration of loop and it does not print H. Here it will get B. Is this B equal to H? No, it will print B. Y does not equal H, it will print Y. T does not equal H, it will print T. H equal to H, it will continue to move back again and get O equal to H, no, it will print letter. N equal to H, no, it will print letter, and so on. Just skip one iteration, the H iteration. Okay, let's see another example. Here in this example I said if var equal to 5, continue. We can see here 9, 8, 7, 6, 4. Where is 5? Because I said here if var equal to 5, continue, and it will skip the iteration of 5. Let's try this in our shell. Var equal to 10, while var bigger than 0, var value will equal var minus 1. If var equal to 5, continue, then print var, and here outside the loop print Mahmoud Ahmad, my name. Let's run. Here prints 9, 8, 7, 6, and this var equal to 5, continue. It skips the iteration of 5 and prints 4, 3, 2, 1, 0, and it will move outside the loop and prints Mahmoud Ahmad here. Okay, remember the difference between break and continue. The break, when this condition is true, if this is a break, it will exit the loop and it will move outside the loop and print this. But in continue, it will skip only this iteration, which var equal to 5, and it will go on and print other values. Okay. In the next video, I'll talk about base statement in Python in details. Hope you like this video and see you next one.